So today, today we got Haisstronica's 20-piece 4-gauge crimping lug kit. So this has got 20 pieces. So we're gonna see what we got here in this. So now this is gonna be for your 4-gauge. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you have 10 of the heat shrink. See if I can get these out of here. So it comes with 5, if I can get them out. It comes with 5 black, and then it comes with 5 red. So if you have a positive or if you have a negative, what this does is puts a nice coating on it, anti-corrosive. Speaking of anti-corrosive, okay, so these lugs were here from Haisstronica are 99.95% copper. Keeps the corrosion away. Very awesome. Very, very awesome. You want as much copper, and these are pure copper. So quality work when you're doing for your customers, doing it for yourself. You want something done and done right. You want quality. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out. So this is a negative cable. You're gonna slide the heat shrink on first. Then you're gonna put the lug on like so. I'm gonna put it in. And then you're gonna give it a good squeeze it. There we go. So when I'm doing work for customers, for myself, I want great. I don't want good. I want great. So that's on there, never coming off. Yeah. Nice fit. And then let's top it off by doing a really great job. So like I said, you can either do a good job or you can do a great job. Haissstronica's got you covered with all your electronic needs. I have quite an arsenal of what they have, and I've done very good work, and I actually get recommended by people for the work that I do, which also brings in more work. So it's a win-win when the job depends on the quality of workmanship you do. And there you go. That's a good fitting. So it looks good. It's going to be on forever. Corrosive, not a worry. It's copper. So it's going to last a very long time. And that's the kind of work you want to do. You want to turn good work into great work. And Haisstronica has you covered. This is their 4-gauge set. It's 20-piece. It's got the 10 lugs, 5 of each color, black and red. Comes in a nice little carrying bottle, so you could have it in your drawers, pull it up, and you know exactly what it is, how many pieces should be in there, and what to reorder when you're done. Anyways, that's Haisstronica. This is their 20-piece number 4 lug kit. Nice. You can't go wrong. And that's what I got. And I will see you guys next time.